All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning limit down market webcast. Okay, so the futures are limit down. They've traded to minus 5% during the overnight Globex session. And so basically the way that works is it goes limit down, and until that bid can get above 28.19 or better, they stay halted. Now they opened them up for about 20 minutes or a half an hour at one point last night. They couldn't hold them there, and it slipped right back to 28.19, and it's been there. It's been there ever since. So that halt is going to stay in place until the regular open at 9:30. Okay, then they open it up, and you have three other basically circuit breakers that work with the market. 7% down, 13% down, and 20% down. So if we open up and we're instantly 7% down, so another 2% from where we are now, then we're going to halt for 15 minutes. Then they'll open it back up again. At that point, it's got to go down to 13. The 20% down only applies in the last, I think it's 30 minutes of the cash close, so 3:30 to 4 o'clock. And at that point, if we're 20% down at 3:30, then we close for the day. Look, I'm just laying out the rules, okay? I'll be very interested, just like everybody else, to see where we open up, okay? You have a lot of uncertainty out there with coronavirus, and the other thing that you really got going on right now is basically oil demand is completely tanking. And, you know, oil's traded below $30. It's down 21% right now. It's actually bounced a little bit. So you have a lot of factors weighing on the market. I'm flat. We messed around with it a little bit when they opened it back up just to see if they wanted to bounce it. We did, you know, it went up about 5, 6. We took 7 handles, and then it stopped us out with a hard stop in the 20s, and that was that. So it's been a big week. It's been a big month. When things go limit down, I don't like to trade them. I don't like being locked out of the market. If I liked being locked out of the market, I would trade equities and I would trade options. And what I would say to those of you out there that are listening to this, that trade equities and options and spend at least a period of time out of the market, that feeling of no control that you have felt since the opening on Sunday, knowing there are positions that you have on that you can do nothing about, not a single solitary thing about, especially options. That is why I don't trade options anymore. That's why I trade futures. Because except for extreme, weird, outlier circumstances like this, I control whether or not I'm in the market. And the reason I don't mess around with limit down is I don't want to get caught with a position on here trying to guess a bounce, and we halt for 8 hours, and we're about to open up God knows where. So that's my 2 cents on why futures give you more control than some other types of instruments out there. So let's see how we open. I don't have an accurate volume-weighted average price for you. I don't have an accurate anything for you because we've been halted for the last 8 or 9 hours. So it needs to open up. We need some price discovery, and we go from there. My suggestion to everybody is what I'm going to tell the people in my room. Stay the hell out of this thing until we figure out what's going on. There's no rush to trade. You got a lot of day left. You got a lot of week left. And if you're anything like us in our room, we could take the rest of the month off, and it would be a huge month. So let this thing open up. Today is about not getting hurt. Today is not about making money. Today is about not blowing up. And I guarantee you, from 6 p.m. last night till 9:22 this morning when I am taping this, there are a lot of people out there, unfortunately, who have blown the hell up. Don't join them. All right. Take care, everybody. That's my happy, fun, sunshine speech for Monday morning. Take care. Trade them well. More stuff out on social. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.